Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. For sale and in front of us today we've got a Ford Transit Tourneo Custom Titanium WAV. So that's a wheelchair accessible vehicle with a bifold ramp, electric soft start winch and 4 Q restraints. 5 fixed travel seats and space for 1 wheelchair and occupant in the second row position. So this sits on an 18 plate and was registered 1st of March 2018. Comes with Roywood Transit 6 months no quibble warranty. It's covered just under 35,000 miles. You can see the 2 second row seats, the upgraded driver security door lock. And as this is a titanium, it's very well spec'd, so body colour bumpers, body colour mirror, heated mirrors, heated windscreen, parking sensors on the front. And this is priced at $19,995 with no VAT to pay and just a road fund tax. Alloy wheels, 130 PS, 6-speed manual. Parking sensors, front and rear. So underneath the tailgate and up the bifold ramp. And here you can see the second row position where the wheelchair and occupant fix into place using the QSTRAINT system. Here you can see the front two. The electric soft start winch, which is operated via this controller. And the 2 rear restraints which help ratchet up and tighten up the wheelchair. You can also see seatbelt accessories and the anchor points for the 3-point seatbelt. And the 2 fixed second row passenger seats. These can be configured, so if you have any questions, please do give us a call regarding that. And in the back, you've got air conditioning, tinted glass, and sunshades. Inside the cab is commensurate for the age and the mileage of the vehicle. You've got dual passenger seat up the front, with a fold down table and storage underneath. Ten-way adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Electric windows. Automatic headlights. Voice activation. Cruise control, speed limiter. And I'm just going to confirm the mileage. There you go. Automatic stop start, heated windscreen, heated rear screen, 3 pedals, 6-speed manual, got your heating, got your AC, and here's your Ford entertainment system. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth or auxiliary or USB, and your radio. And here you can see the parking sensors and the heated seats. So in conclusion, and for sale today, Ford Transit Custom Tourneo Titanium WAV wheelchair accessible vehicle. 5 fixed travel seats, although that can be configured. Priced at $19,995, that's no VAT to pay, just a road fund tax. 130 PS, 6-speed manual. You've got bifold ramp, electric soft start winch, and 4 Q restraints, just under 35,000 miles. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.